Hi, my name's Gabe. For this problem, we're given equations for demand and supply, and we're asked to find the equilibrium point. Now let's begin by recalling that the equilibrium point happens when the demand is equal to the supply. We can begin finding our equilibrium point by first substituting the expression for supply into the equation for demand. Doing so, we'll have 380 plus 0.1x is equal to 500 minus 0.4x. Now here, we'll solve for x, and in doing so, we'll know how many units we must sell to reach our equilibrium point. So let's begin by first adding 0.4 to both sides of the equation. This gives us the equation 380 plus 0.5x is equal to 500. Here, we can subtract 380 from both sides of the equation, leaving us with 0.5x is equal to 120. Now here we can solve for x by either dividing both sides of the equation by 0.5 or by multiplying both sides of the equation by 2. Either way, we'll end up with x is equal to 240. And as I said earlier, this is the number of units that we must sell to reach our equilibrium point. Now that we know how many units we must sell to reach our equilibrium point, we can substitute this back into either our demand equation or our supply equation, which will tell us how much per unit we should sell each unit. So let's substitute x equals 240 back into our demand equation. So P then is going to be equal to 500 minus 0.4 times 240. So this is equal to 500 minus 96, which is equal to $404 per unit. So our equilibrium point is the point 240, 404. Thank you.